Is it me, or is hot chocolate made without milk just, well, hot brown stuff? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. Headed off to the market today, and it's 40 degrees. So heated grips are on, thermals are on, jeans, jacket, sweatshirt underneath, Kamimoto non-heated gloves. I had my snow pants on. I'm like, yeah, I'm getting too hot in the house. Should have left them on. So brisk ride up, like I said, nicer ride back. I put the link in the description to the snow pants I bought off Amazon. They're pretty good. So I couldn't get a 29-inch leg. That pissed me off. Short people problems. Food for thought here, right? I was thinking about this the other day. You know the Incredible Hulk, right? He gets all swole, boom. Almost all his clothes blow off, except, you know, for what's covering up the lower section. So, does he have to, like, travel with extra clothes? Because when he shrinks back down, that stuff's going to be way too big. And if he's traveling with clothes, like, let's say he has him in a backpack, right? And he gets all swole, does the backpack blow up and those clothes are swole? Now he has swole clothes and nothing to wear. Like, you know, it really can't be that easy to be the Hulk in, you know, clothes. Because I know, you know, like you can't go to like Kohl's or something and be like, I'm going to go to the Hulk section. They don't have one. Boy, oh boy. You know what? I'm alright. Getting a little bit of cold in here and there, but for the most part, I'm fine. It's taking it easy before tires weren't warmed up. You know, gotta keep it easy, right? Note to self, buy something that covers your chin. Your chin is cold. Meeting some friends from work, gonna get some caffeine. Maybe a cookie or something. You never know. You never know. Not so funny story. Of course, I didn't have the camera on. I take my hand off the brake. The woman behind me steps on the gas. Damn near knocks me off my bike. And did you know with these Kamimoto non-heated gloves, you can extend a thicker, bigger middle finger to show your sign of appreciation for retardation. I'll bring you guys and girls back when I'm on the old 9W. Yeah, I had to get off the old PIP because your boy was cold. Note to self. Uh-oh, that's my Spandex Spartan radar. It's going off. Where there's one, there's two. These poor guys must be freezing. The dude had shorts on. You must be out your damn mind, son. Oh, badass. I hope that dude's okay. Some dudes or people he's riding with checked on him. the market. About another 3 or 4 minutes. Cold last night. I filled the tires yesterday and checked the pressure today. It was down a pound on each. Cold. It's like, no, not messing around. You're getting the right tire pressure. I'll put the link to the pump I bought off of Amazon in the description as well. It's a cool, man. You charge it USB-C. So far so good. It was reasonably priced too. I think it was like 30 or 40 bucks maybe. Let it defog.
Is it an extensive surgery, or like, you know, you have to see recovery time is like long?
Not at all. Yeah, the other
More shows in they closed until the New York City Harley and
I'm like, I'll just say no to Saturday. So Saturdays have been fun. It's just something that I just Alright guys.
Have a great day. I ruined my day. Good thing the house is paid off. Happy to cheer you guys up. I'm gonna go home and cry.
Yeah, that's
Good turnout today at Bikes and Breakfast at the market. It's a 9W market, Palisades, New York. First Sunday of the month. It was chilly coming up, but it just hit 50 now. Met a bunch of friends from work. Drank a coffee. Had the best crumb cake I've ever had in my entire life, and it had apple in the middle. That was next level good. A lot of different bikes, which is always cool. Just with our group, you got a Pan Am, you got a Tiger 900, you got a S1000R, and you had a Indian Chief. Very psyched. Very cold this morning, though. Very cold. These dudes are hauling. I tell you, just once, I'd like to get out of the market without the bees giving me a hard time. And yeah, like I said, it's cold, man. What the heck? But friends, this is where we say goodbye. Once again, if you like my videos, please give it the thumbs up or leave a comment. I drop them Wednesday and Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. Appreciate you giving up your free time to watch my videos, and I hope you'll come back next week and watch a video or two. Take care, friends.